Okay, well, let's take a look at some percent of change exercises. So we want to look at the following problems, find the percent of change, round to the nearest tenth of a percent if necessary, and also we want to state whether the percent of change is an increase or a decrease. So our first problem gives us the original is 4 and the new is 5. So when we subtract 5 minus 4, we get 1. So now we will take the original is 4, 1 over 4, and of course when we divide we will get 0.25, okay, which is again is 25%, and because the new is greater than the original, it is an increase. Let's take a look at another problem. Original we have an original we say is 10 and new we say is 13. So here we will take 13 minus 10 will give us 3, and our ratio will be 3 over 10, and that will give us 0.3, which is the same thing as 30%. And because we have the new greater than the original, this also is an increase. Okay, so let's get around and look at a couple more. Okay, maybe a couple. So let's see, can we change it up a little bit? So 3, let's take a look at problem 3, and problem 3 has the original at 15 and the new at 12. Okay, so how do we work this out? We have the change, the percent of change will be, we can do it easy and say 15 minus 12 equals 3, and we can take our original, which is 15, and get a little more room and make this 3 over 15, which should be around 20%. Let's just make sure. Okay, so that's 0.2 or 20%, and because the original is greater than the new, it is a decrease. Okay, let's take a look at one more, and I think I'm going to pick one. Hopefully I can pick one. Yeah, let's do original. Original is 30 and new is 18. So here we'll have 30 minus 18, which is going to equal to 12, and our ratio will be 12 over 30. Which will give us 0.4 or 40%. And again, it is a decrease because the original is larger than the new. Okay. All right. So practice, practice, practice. And if you don't understand, I think what I'm going to do is give you maybe, let's see, I think I'm going to give you some of these problems for you to actually work, maybe 4 on your own to work and bring in, and before we get to the actual word problem. So look for those shortly.